So here I'm going to show you how I make or alter these Dollar Tree pens. I had two because someone had given me one and I think I already had bought one. They're from the Dollar Tree, real simple. Using these really fuzzy chenille stems from Hobby Lobby, just using the white one. And some pom-poms from Dollar Tree, just using the white ones for the tail. And I also add in some bows later on. So I'm simply going to add ears and a tail. And what I'm going to do with this is right now I'm trying to figure out how big I need my ears to be, and if I could just not cut up too much of this and maybe just like use half on one and then the other half on the other. So I was just kind of looking to see how big I wanted the ears. You can see how I'm folding it. Right there I figure I could just cut this in half, use one half for one and the other half for the other. This is like a really super easy project if you already have these, but of course you can make from scratch using a large pom-pom, do the same thing to it, and then just kind of adhere it to a pen cap maybe, and then add it to the top. So I folded it in thirds, sort of, just putting one end to the middle and the other end to the middle, creating that ear look. And I'm kind of making it so that the ends are a little further down and they kind of protrude, because that part is going to kind of go into my little pom-pom thing that's on the pen already. I'm just kind of fixing it up so I have the shape, and you see it's gonna look cute on top of that. So right in there I figured out that that is styrofoam, and I could jam that in there and make a little hole. That's kind of what I'm doing, because that is actually a styrofoam ball. I'm gonna insert some hot glue into my hole, and then I'm gonna put in my ears with the ends of the chenille stem going through as much as I can. I don't even know if I even went into my hole, but because of all the fuzz on there, I couldn't tell. So I'm kind of just fixing my ears now. And already it looks cute just putting those on there. Already looks like a bunny. But I do want to add the tail. So I'm just going to hot glue that in. Now you can actually make the face instead of doing the butt by just sticking, I think, 3 pom-poms. Do the 2 cheeks and then the one on the bottom, and then a little fuzzy pink nose, and you can just do a face. But I like doing the booty, it's just cute. So yeah, I just like the rear end look of it. And then I decide to put a bow. I think I do it here, yes. So one of them I use that bow, and then when I do the second one, see, there's another option where to stick the bows. Yep, nope, it's gonna go right there. Then I use a different bow for the other one. And the pen is still usable, and it's gonna look cute in my pen cup. And now this Dollar Tree pen is even cuter than it was before. And I'm going to do it just one more time for the second pen. And they're going to be also used as a wand. So if I make another loaded envelope, I'm just going to throw that pen in there as well with a few other wands. But at least this one you can actually use. You just kind of see how I folded it again and pinch the top of each loop. Kind of fluff it out. Sorry for that interruption. Make my hole. And just like before, fixing my ears, and I put my tail on, and then the bow. just think it's so cute and fuzzy. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to be doing the same thing. Glue the tail and glue a bow, and then I'm done. So this is episode 2 of my spring slash Easter or Easter splash slash spring series, episode 2. So thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for the next one. I will be working on other projects that are not in the series in between, but I did want to get at least a couple of episodes up for you. And since these are really quick and easy, I figured I'll just get those out of the way until the next projects. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.